Are you still wasting time scrolling through crochet photos, trying to figure out why your own pieces never look as clean or as cute as the ones you see online? Here's what most people don't realize about homemade crochet designs. They look beautiful not because they're hard, but because the person making them knows a few simple ideas that make everything look put together. And once you understand those ideas, your designs start looking 10 times better without you needing fancy patterns or hours of work. A lot of people think crochet has to be big projects only, blankets, cardigans, giant bags. But the truth is, the beauty of homemade crochet often lives in the small things. Little pieces you can finish fast, use every day, and actually feel proud of. Think about soft crochet coasters. They take minutes to make, but when you place them on your table, the whole space suddenly feels warmer. Or simple cup sleeves. Just a few rounds of yarn, but they make your morning drink feel like it came from a cozy cafe. Then there are tiny plant pot covers. These are game changers. Even if your plant is in a plain plastic container, a small crochet wrap can make it look like decor you bought from a fancy home store. This is the kind of crochet that makes people say, "Wait, you made that?" And none of these things need complex stitches. A basic single crochet or half double crochet is sometimes all you need. What matters more is your yarn choice and color. Soft cotton yarn makes small items look clean and modern. Warm, chunky yarn makes them feel cozy and handmade. Picking two colors that go well together instantly makes even a simple piece look intentional. Once you get comfortable with these quick designs, something interesting happens. You start seeing new possibilities everywhere. You might try a tiny wall hanging, just a rectangle with some French, and suddenly your room feels more personal. Or a small basket that holds your keys, makeup, or even your leftover yarn. These little touches do more than decorate. They make your home feel like you. Crochet gives you a chance to add a warm, handmade look to your space without spending much money. It also lets you relax, slow down, and create something real with your hands. That's why people fall in love with it. Not because of the big projects, but because even small designs carry so much charm. So if you've been wanting to make your home feel a bit more peaceful, a bit more you, start with one small crochet design today. A coaster, a tiny basket, a pot cover. Anything simple. You don't need experience, you just need to start. Are you still wasting time scrolling through crochet photos, trying to figure out why your own pieces never look as clean or as cute as the ones you see online? Here's what most people don't realize about homemade crochet designs. They look beautiful not because they're hard,